नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you texture measurement instruments. Now let's start the topic. What is food texture? Food texture is a collective term of sensory experiences originated from visual, audio, and tactile stimuli. The sensation of food texture plays a crucial role in influencing consumers' either liking and preference of a food product. Consumer concern and interest of food texture vary from one type of food to another. For solid foods, sensory experience associated with fracture and breaking could be most relevant textural features, whereas the sensation of flow behavior could be the most crucial texture related feature for the fluid foods. For semi-solid or soft solid foods, different pattern of stress strain deformation provide key information for the delicate texture variation among this type of food. This is the textural characteristics are perceived in three stages of ingestion, representing initial, masticatory, and residual. Initially, the food product, its hardness, brittleness, and chewiness. When we masticate it in a mouth, then it is gumminess, chewiness, adhesiveness, and brittleness and viscosity. Then residual, it is rate of breakdown and general mouthfeel. Then texture testing. Texture testing is a well-established technique for evaluating the mechanical and physical properties of raw ingredients, food structure, and designs, and for pre and post quality control checks. Texture testing has applications across a wide range of food types, including baked goods, cereals, confectionaries, snacks, dairy, fruits and vegetables, gelatins, meat, poultry, fish, pasta, and even pet food. Since texture is a important property related to the sense of touch, it can be measured easily by mechanical methods in units such as for force. In food texture testing, standard tests such as compression, tension, and flexure are used to measure hardness, crispiness, crunchiness, softness, springiness, tackiness, and other properties of food. Comparing the results from mechanical texture analysis with trained human sensory panels has shown that the measurements have a high correlation with the various sensory attributes associated with the textural quality. Then for natural products such as fruits and vegetables, meat and fish, textural properties can be traced back to the way the product is grown or reared. While for processed food, the textural properties can be used to optimize the process. For texture analysis can highlight quality improvement opportunities throughout the supply chain and the production process. At the research and development stage, new or alternative ingredients can be compared with existing ingredients. In production, food texture analysis is used for the measurement and control of process variations such as temperature, humidity, and cooking time. Then texture analysis instrumentation. Different types of testing instrumentation available for from AMETEC STC range from manual and monitorized food firmness testers to a fully software texture analyzer. Textural testing allows standards to be introduced and implemented can provide full documentation of the test procedures. The Chatillon MT150 series is a manual mechanical tester suitable for determining the firmness of fruits and vegetables. It uses a portable mechanical or digital force gauge to make either tensile or compressive measurements. The tester can be driven with a lever or hand wheel, while a digital indicator or ruler may be used to measure puncture depth. For firmness testing or associated puncture, compressive extrusion, cutting, shear, tensile, and compressive testing, the manually controlled monitorized Chatillon LTCM 100 series tester can be used. It features a hand switch or optional foot switch to control tester speed and direction. A digital force gauge is used to determine the peak forces encountered in order to test the firmness characteristics of the sample.
Force accuracy is achieved up to 0.1% of full scale. The tester is well suited for the QA/QC laboratory or production or research environment. The TA1 texture analyzer is a high performance food texture analyzer for fully automated texture analysis. Mechanical texture analysis with a calibrated texture tester run by the software using fundamental algorithms removes all elements of subjectivity from the testing. Easy to operate, the 220 tons force and 102 kgf 1000 Newton capacity food texture analyzer is designed for both routine and sophisticated texture analysis using Nexigen plus materials test and control software. Then that's the difference between succulometer and penetrometer. Succulometer is an instrument for measuring the moisture content of the fresh or processed vegetable product, such as an ear of a corn. Uses compression to squeeze juice out of the food as a measure of succulence. Then penetrometer. Penetrometer is an instrument for determining the consistency or hardness of a substance by measuring the depth or rate of penetration of a rod or needle driven into it by a known force. And penetrometer also measures the force required to move a plunger a fixed distance through a food material. Then tenderometer, a device for determining the maturity and tenderness of the samples of fruits in vegetable. Tenderometer applies compression and shear to measure the tenderness of the foods. And then textural profile analyzer. It is a double compression test for determining the textural properties of foods. It is primarily concerned with the evaluation of mechanical characteristics where a material is subjected to a controlled force from which a deformation curve of response is generated. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.